4th of July is one of my favorite holidays to put together a tablescape. You don't necessarily have to come up with a color scheme or a theme. All you need to do is put together the red, white, and blue, bring some festive elements to your table, and you have a fantastic tablescape. So this year I brought together elements from my existing collection, as well as a brand new dinner set that I got specifically for this tablescape, and I think it came out great. So join me as we take a tour of my 4th of July tablescape for 2021. So here's our tablescape. I had to use the firework lights again this year. I love those things, and 4th of July is one of the only times I get to take them out. So I'm using the Star Stitched dinnerware set. I have the plates on these blue star chargers that I got from Pier 1 on their closeout sale when they were closing. So this Star Stitch, it actually reminds me kind of Texas. You could probably use it in, that kind of tablescape as well. I paired it with my silverware that I have from Lenox. And I also used a napkin, and this napkin ring, believe it or not, is for Christmas. I didn't really have anything else to use, and I actually think the silver in it matches the silver of the firework light. So I just used that, so I didn't have to buy a new. The table runner I got from Amazon. It's sort of a red, white, and blue buffalo check on one side with red, white, and blue stars down the middle. It does come with 6 placemats and the runner, but I only used 4 because I have this burlap runner underneath that came from Michael's. I had to put some twinkly lights in there. I don't know if they go with anything. I just placed them there. I didn't really have any candlestick holders for them. So this candlestick is, I think, also Star Stitch. I'm not really sure, but it's actually a vase and a candlestick all together. So you guys probably have seen this sign before. I used it, I think, last year. I'm not really going into stores, so I wasn't able to shop too much for a centerpiece, so I just used what I had. And here is another one of our place settings. As you'll notice, my table does have a lot of battle wounds to it. I guess I could say that it just, that gives it character, right? Always struggle putting together this buffet. This time I put this firework pattern little server on here with dipping bowls. I've used this picture before. It's the firework pattern of Temp-tations with little flags. I actually used that as my centerpiece one time. This is Temp-tations firework. That's the bowl that goes with this set. So I'm just going to use it for a big fruit salad. I didn't get a second runner, so I just used this buffalo check runner. So this is how it looks with the lights off. I think it's kind of neat because the little fireworks kind of gives you that festive celebration. I mean, you may not be necessarily sitting down at a formal table like this, but it has been really hot here for 4th of July. And I kind of wanted a place to come in to escape that heat to eat. So that's why I did this tablescape.